Hey girl, hey! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the Dollar Tree Easter Slime Challenge. I feel like Easter is coming super fast this year and I really wanted to do the Dollar Tree Slime Challenge Easter style because I went to the Dollar Tree the other day and they had so many things. Also you guys, me and my friend DIYs by Abraham, he's a really good friend of mine. We decided to do a mini little like collab type of video with this. He also did an Easter slime related video. I will make sure to link it down below. Go check out his video after you finish watching this one. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to the store. We're gonna get a bunch of cool add-ins or whatever we find and we're gonna try to make some bomb slime. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. And without further ado, let's go to the store. Let's go see what we can find. Okay, so this is the Easter section. I just don't know what I need, you know? Oh, there's pom-poms. There's like, okay. There's pastel pom-poms. These are always cool in slime. What else? There has to be like cute like foam eggs or something. I could definitely do something with these eggs. They don't got smaller eggs? Like, oh, they do. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. This is amazing. Okay, these are good. They're small enough for slime. Okay, I'm gonna take all of them. I'm trying not to be like loud because this is kind of awkward. Okay, I need to focus on Easter. This is, wait. No, okay. Yellow goes with Easter. And this could make some cool jelly cubes. Alright, it looks like we got everything. I got a lot of add-ins. I should have more than enough, if anything. I got everything I need. Let's go make some slime. Alright, I'm back. I got a lot of really cute things that I think are gonna make super bomb Easter slimes. So I'm gonna cut these off and make some jelly cube with it. I found some cute rubber duckies, a bunch of cool add-ins, and just so many like cute, colorful pastel things, and I'm so excited. So I guess let's get straight into it. Let's do it. Alright, it's time to make this slime. I'm really liking these eggs, and I think I could use them as foam balls. Take these apart. And they're foam too, so they're gonna rise just like any other like foam beads would. Okay, now let's make our slime. So for the slime, you know, I'm using the glue. I think maybe a cute like soft pink. So I'm gonna go in with my paint. Ooh, that's a bright pink. With some activator, add it in slowly, stir, you know, you already know. Just mix. Ooh. It's time for me to get my hands dirty. Sometimes you feel like it doesn't have enough activator. Sometimes all it really needs is just kneading, because then you don't want to over activate it either. Like right now it's sticky, it feels stringy, so I know there's activator in there, so I gotta knead it out. All right, our slime is done. It's pretty thick. I'm honestly surprised. Time to add in our balls. Ooh, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to mix it right now. This is so cute. Styrofoam beads, no matter if you mix them, it don't matter. Like, they rise within a few hours and they settle on top. So cute. Oh my gosh. And the crunch is like, I'm obsessed. Like, this is so cute. Eggs in there. I mean, they're kind of big, but they just look so cute. Kind of hard to like mix into because there's so many eggs. But if you were to make like a bigger batch and just have them on top, so cute. Ooh. All right, I got my slime ready for the next one. So I got these really cool pom-poms. And I know not a lot of people mix pom-poms in slime, but I've tried it and it is the most satisfying thing ever. It has such a weird texture. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is extra stuff that I could totally use. I've never found googly eyes before at the Dollar Tree, so this is amazing. Oh, and there's like mini ones in all kinds of different sizes. Ooh, this is so Easter. Okay, so let's go ahead and just mix this in. Ooh. Whoa. Crazy. Alright. I love pom-poms and slime. You can't even explain it because it's not crunchy. It's more like spongy in a way. I'm telling y'all, this feels so spongy and crunchy. It's so weird. There's so many bubbles. It's like the fuzzy stuff in the pom-poms like traps air, and it just like makes all these bubble pops. Are so cool. Or you know what it also looks like? It kind of looks like Easter bark. This is or like I don't know, like some kind of like Easter like marshmallow thing. I don't know, but this is amazing. All right, we gotta move on. I'm obsessed right now. All right, next up, I'm gonna use a clear base. I'm gonna add these really cool little confetti Easter things and some glitter. I wanted a pastel yellow, so I just added a few drops, and we're gonna go ahead and mix that. Whoa. So I'm just gonna go with some glitter, and I love that these are pastel colors, so this is perfect. That's cute. And let's add some pink. So cute. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh, so glittery. I love this. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely beautiful. Do you guys see that shimmer? So cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I might just add more glitter. So cute. So cute. Do you see this? It's so pretty and vibrant and just amazing. I don't know which one is my favorite so far. I feel like they just get better and better. They're so good. Ah, look at the bubbles. Oh my god. Amazing. And I feel like the more I play with it, it doesn't even look bad. It kind of looks metallic, if anything, because of the glitter. Okay, honey. I am literally shaking right now. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, so now what I'm thinking of doing is like some kind of like jelly cube slime-ish type of thing. So I found this, and I think I'm just gonna cut these off. These, okay, so I feel like these are the actual ones that people use for jelly cube. I've seen them by themselves as like the sponge, and then sometimes I've seen them in little package things like, they look like this sometimes. So I'm gonna cut it open and hope that they're the actual jelly cubes, because if they are, then that's amazing. Who knows, honestly? Oh, no, they're not. Dang, I knew it was too good to be true. Yeah, I'm probably better off with this. Usually, jelly cube would be used like in clear, but I thought it would look really cool if I made a nice like pastel green, and then these rise to the top. It's like crunchy and stuff. I think it's gonna be so cute. So let's get rid of these. They were pointless, honestly. And let's go ahead and color our slime. There's a trick to mixing food coloring and paint and all kinds of stuff in slime. You just gotta avoid that part and just fold it over each other. And then once it's like all mixed in, like it's not gonna stick on you anymore, you know? That looks like a pretty pastel Easter green. Ooh, funny. Okay. And then this is gonna give it a pop of color. Cut these off. Kind of reminds me to like some like pineapple. My vision was kind of different for this, but I feel like it's still gonna look cute. And I think it's gonna be really crunchy. All right, so from the same confetti pack that I did the other slime, there's these little flowers. Oh, they look so cute. This is so cute. This is spring right here. I get like nervous about all of them. Like, is it gonna come out cute? And they come out so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the squishy feeling. Amazing. This is gonna look so nice when they come to the top. I just live for Easter colors, you know, like the pastels are just so gorgeous. This is gonna rise so beautifully. So cute. All right, this one I am so excited about. So excited about, because I found a bunch of rubber duckies at Dollar Tree. Like, it comes in a 3-pack. And I was like, oh my gosh, they're so freaking cute and slime. Like, they would just look absolutely adorable. Like, who doesn't love rubber duckies? I'm sorry, but amazing. So I have my clear slime, and I'm gonna color this blue, you know, like if they're like swimming around and stuff. This is gonna be so cute. Just gonna get it going. Oh man, this is gonna be so cute. Oh my god, I love mixing clear slime. In love. Oh. Oh my gosh, living. This is a beautiful blue. Like, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is mostly mixed in. I wish I had something to look like a little pool for them or something, but let's put our little family of ducks in there. We got the mom and the dad and their 4 children. This is the cutest thing ever. This is like my favorite one right now, hands down. So we got mom and dad, first child, second born, third, and the youngest back here. Right? So cute, you guys. I just, look at it. It's adorable. I love it. The color, like, I'm living so much for this color right now. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, should we name them? Okay, so this is me and Raul. And these are our 4 children. I don't know what to name them. So this is Raul Jr., the firstborn. Oh no, it was this one, right? I forgot which one it was. I have too many kids. I got 4 kids, okay. And I think the second ones are twins. And then their last one, the youngest. Dang, I don't know what to name my kids, y'all. Pause this video right now and comment down below. What should I name my children? All right, time to go swimming. There they go. Look at all the fun they're having. Summertime. Okay. Oh. Look how much fun they're having. Fun fact, rubber duckies can hold their breath forever. Okay, this is so cute. Like, I'm living. Imagine when this clears, like how cute it's gonna look. They're just chilling in the water. It's gonna look so cute. Oh, okay. They're having a blast, honey. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh. There they go. Oh, getting sticky. Oh my gosh, wait, did you guys see that? When you squish it, if like the slime comes out its mouth. Okay. So if you guys didn't think that was cute enough, I got these super cute little transparent egg type of things. We got some carrots, we got some little chicks, some cute little bunnies. I think they would be super cute little gifts, or you know, to go Easter hunting with. They're just so cute. So let's put some slime in here. These are adorable. So look at these are so cute. I thought it'd be cute to put like the ducky in here. You know, it's super cute. Grab our little ducky, and they fit. I feel like they'll fit perfectly. Yep, they fit. So cute. This is adorable. Close this up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. And then there's a little ducky in there. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. You can literally see the ducky in there. So cute. These are so cute. I feel like this would be amazing gifts, like for your friends, or even like in the basket, like basket fillers, or even just hiding them for the kids. Like, they would be so excited. This is so cute. And that is it for this Dollar Tree slime Easter challenge. This was so successful. I love these slimes so much. Like, they all came out so good. Comment down below what your favorite slime was. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button, subscribe for future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!